No way. All right, ladies and gents, we're working my Mercedes for the first time. It's pretty crazy. So we seem to have a problem with the air suspension, that it's deflating the right hand side, and I see the problem, which is this, which is the Airmatic leveling sensor. It has to clip on right there, which maybe at a normal shop could have charged me an arm and a leg, which fuck that. Could I get a flathead actually? Maybe a flathead, or maybe like a something like a plier, but that square tip one. What? You know what I'm talking about? Check the pads. Wow, I just can't believe there's still life in these pads. I have no idea how they're. However, the two front struts in the front are new, replaced with some Bilstein struts. Hello, Bilstein. We are here. Yeah, that kind of bushing. Let's see. It doesn't look too bad out here. Although the rotors, this is an S430. Usually, actually, and I think all Mercedes of that era, even the C-Class, for all the way up to the S-Class, they had cross-drilled rotors. And yeah, could use some love. Tremendous brakes. No, I did.
This is all you got. This is all I got.
Yep. Pretty good. Pretty good, actually. Let me swap hands.
What are we looking at here?
So we're looking at this. Actually, this part was hanging down here.
Wow, how the fuck did that come off?
I have no idea, bro.
The bushing looks pretty fucked, I'll be honest with you. So you might as well get a new bushing. And
it's not really a bushing. It's more like it clips on. You know what I mean? Like that. You see?
Just closer, yeah.
It's like it's like a lock, somewhat. You see?
Okay.
So voila. We cannot test because my key fell out of my pocket in the Jetta, which is downtown. So mission to go get that now. So the Mercedes essentially, technically, should be fixed. Not too bad. So yeah, first time working on the Mercedes. This job, actually, you know what? Maybe they wouldn't have tried. Would have been like, hey, that's easy. But you know, never know. So actually, that could be a DIY W220 Airmatic leveling sensor rod. Actually, if you have any issues with Airmatic, make sure to check this little lever here, this rod, the Airmatic level sensor rod, and this would be the sensor itself. Sometimes these go bad. Obviously, people talk about the electronics of Mercedes of this era, but yeah, so it just clips on in the top. And I noticed because this was dangling down, and I was like, opa, I've actually seen that before. It happened on the other side, so I guess hopefully this isn't common, but if it does happen to you and your car is deflated on the floor, just make sure you check that just in case. Boom. And
also,
that was...
come back. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll keep you posted for the next video.
First startup after having fixed that issue. Oh, hello. Here we go. No way. Did it stay there? No. Oh. My baby. No way. Beautiful. 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 Wow. Wow. Beautiful. So the culprit, once again, that I'm gonna put my finger right there, that thing right there, that vertical rod there. It was detached from the top, hanging loose. So if you have a W220 S-Class Airmatic, not ABC, I don't know how that system operates. You know, I don't know, it's hydraulic, but I don't know really what it looks like. Anyways, point is, check that first. Obviously the car will be on the ground, so you're gonna have to look through here. So that's essentially where that was, and now it's there. So beautiful, 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 beautiful. Oh, and one more thing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on that bell notification so you get notified next time we do an upload. Follow us on Instagram. Follow us on TikTok. We just started a TikTok. It's going pretty cool. Follow us on TikTok. The Shift channel. Boom. Cheers, guys. Later.